Hello and welcome. I'm Sean Fox. This is Made to Ramble, and this is kind of an unplanned video. I put out a video on Monday which... do you like my new lights, by the way? You might have noticed it in my last video. I kind of wanted something interesting in the background. Something to add just a little bit of production value. What do you think? Marvel at that production value. Are you marveling? I put out a video on Monday just talking about the recently announced DJI Osmo Pocket. It wasn't a review or anything, just a video talking about a few things that I kind of liked about this very cool new camera gimbal combo. I did have a few small criticisms, but overall I'm pretty excited about this camera, so I don't have a lot of negative things to say. I did also speculate about the possibility of a future premium version. Anyway, the response that I received was a little bit surprising. I got so many dislikes you'd honestly think I'd stolen their Osmo Pockets and pissed on them. None of you own one yet. You've never even laid eyes on one in real life, so what are you so pissed about? For a few hours there, I was watching the dislikes amass. A few likes, but a hell of a lot more dislikes. And I was kind of freaking out. I mean, I had that terrible pit in my stomach, wondering what the hell I'd done wrong. I was genuinely feeling pretty sorry for myself, wondering, why doesn't anybody like me? The confusing thing is, though, it's kind of hard to get too upset when I'm also receiving more views than any other video that I've ever put out. I mean, most of my videos are lucky to get 100 views. I only had 120 subscribers when I put the video out. I've had nearly 3,000 views now. I've picked up more subscribers. Thank you very much for that. I'm hugely appreciative. And along with the dislikes, I've also gotten more likes than any other video that I've ever put out. There's still twice as many dislikes, but, looking on the bright side. I've gotten quite a lot of comments as well, most of them pretty positive. So thank you all for that. I did have a couple of critical comments, mostly just asking why I'm talking about something that I don't own. And to those of you asking this question, well, welcome to the internet. Why is that so weird? I can think of a dozen popular YouTubers who are happy to make videos about gear that's just been released, stuff that I don't personally own yet. I don't need to have used the Osmo Pocket to say that dongles suck. I mean, that shouldn't be controversial. We have to buy a dongle if we want to connect an external mic. That does kind of suck. Where video is concerned, audio is at least as important as the video. So, why am I not allowed to talk about the camera without owning one? Is there like some magical number of subscribers I need before I'm allowed to express my opinion? It's not like I'm claiming any expertise. I was quick to say in the video that there's no reason why my opinion should hold value all that highly. It's just that. It's my opinion on my own channel, and you're free to watch if you want or not. So what have I learned from this? Well, for starters, DJI fans are very sensitive. I'm pretty sure they're all needing 3-ply toilet paper. Little babies. But also, none of these people understand how YouTube works. The more that people engage with a video, the more that YouTube promotes that video in people's feeds. Likes, dislikes, and comments all count as engagement. So every time you hit that dislike button or you write a snarky comment, you're contributing to me getting more views. So all I can say is, hate away. You hit that dislike button right now. Better yet, write me a really mean comment. Put on your angry hat and get typing. You can do it. Spank me. Give me a mighty good spanking. I deserve it. I said bad things about dongles. Okay, this is getting weird. Thanks very much for watching this video. It's still a very small channel, so I really do appreciate all the support. It's been a very strange week for me so far, and I'm not really sure how I feel about all the responses to that last video. So there are times I've been a little nervous to even look at my phone. I know a few thousand views isn't a big deal for a lot of YouTubers, but for me that's pretty freaking huge. Anyway, join me next week when I'll try my hand at a little ASMR. No, not really. That would be terrible. Next week's video will be about the Olympus 9 to 18mm, a very cool ultra-wide zoom lens for the Micro Four Thirds camera. Until then, if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you again soon.